HeyReal AI review. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys or do a review to you guys about HeyReal AI. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you'll get special prices or special discounts right here from HeyReal AI. So if you're planning to subscribe to a plan right here in HeyReal AI, you could definitely use the link in the description below to get special discounts. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's start off with the review right here. So HeyReal is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence platform that enables users to create and interact with highly realistic, unfitted AI characters. In contrast with conventional chatbots, HeyReal's AI models are programmed for swift and imaginative conversations that may sometimes touch on NSFW themes. So different pre-made AI characters can be selected from HeyReal, such as fictional personas, animated inspired avatars, and digital versions of famous people. Nonetheless, one of the most attractive things about HeyReal is the ability to create and fully customize your AI companion, fine-tuning attributes like looks, personality, and interests to meet your preferences. So for those who prefer intellectual discussions, flirtatious conversation, or just simple fun talk, HeyReal's AI characters guarantee a truly immersive and engaging experience. Users who want a more and unbound AI engagement can find such in-centric discussions because HeyReal AI has no filters. So yeah, so these are the plans right here for HeyReal AI. So it has 4 plans right here. So it has the premium plan, the deluxe plan, the standard plan, and the free plan. So again, if you want to avail for special discounts right here for these plans, make sure to click on the special link in the description below. So yeah. So first is we have the free plan right here, which will cost you around $7.9 a month. So in this plan, this is their most popular plan. So in here, you'll get 5,000 monthly messages, save up to 20 profile cards, 4K long-term chat memory, fast response speed from characters, and 150 image unlock prompts included. Moving on is we have the deluxe plan. So in here, this will cost you around $19.9 per month. So in here, you'll have unlimited messages monthly, save up to 50 profile cards, 8K long-term chat memory, fast response speed from characters, 360 image unlock prompts included, priority customer service support, powerful AI language model, and richer AI response content. And then next is we have the $3.9 per month, which is their standard plan. So this one, you'll get 1,000 monthly messages, save up to 10 profile cards, 2K limited chat memory, normal response speed from characters, and 75 image unlock props included. And then lastly, so you have the free plan right here, which is definitely free. So in here, you'll get limited free messages, save up to 5 profile cards. So in here, you'll only have a short-term chat memory with 3-day storage, queue for chatting during peak periods, and no image unlock props. So yeah, so these are the plans right here in HeyReal AI. So if you're planning to subscribe to any of these plans right here, I would highly recommend to use the link in the description below so that you can save off some money when you're going to subscribe, since the link in the description will provide special discounts when you're going to subscribe to any of these plans right here in HeyReal AI. So yeah, that's pretty much it, the HeyReal AI review. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.